it's Dolores Jacobs here with Fun with Fiber. I just wanted to update you a little bit on what's going on. First of all, I apologize for not getting some weaving videos out. I've been busy. It's spring here in Pennsylvania, so there's a lot of outdoor work to do, and I just enjoy the weather, so I'm spending more time outside. And secondly, I have opened a new e-shop. My online shop is called Fun with Fiber PA. It's important you put the PA after it because there is a guild in Michigan, I believe, that's called Fun with Fiber. So I'm Fun with Fiber in Pennsylvania, PA. And I have also opened an Etsy store with the same name. So it will be Etsy store Fun with Fiber, PA. Right now, I'm concentrating mostly on my website to get all items in there first, and then I have a few things on Etsy, and that will increase shortly. So what is Fun with Fiber? What I'm doing is specializing in the rare breeds on the Livestock Conservancy list. The Livestock Conservancy came up with a program called Shave 'em to Save 'em. And what that program is, for $15 you can join, and they will send you what they're calling a passport. It looks like a small passport book, and every page in that book has a different breed from the Livestock Conservancy's endangered list. And there are 23 breeds total. What they want you to do is to get the wool, and it doesn't matter whether you get it in a raw state or cleaned or roving or yarn, because there's so many different fiber artists and ways that you can treat that. Personally, I like the raw wool so I can really see what the fiber's like, process it, and then spin it. When I was searching for the Livestock Conservancy breeds, I found that I could find individuals with one, maybe two varieties of wool. And so it took a lot of time and energy to find all the different breeds. And it was costing a lot more because I'm shipping 4 ounces of fiber at a time. So I thought to myself, well, I could get all the different breeds together and create a store where the people from Shave 'em to Save 'em could come and purchase 5, 10, 15 breeds all at one time. And that's what I've done. Currently, of the 23 breeds, I have about 18 or 19, and I have several that are coming in shortly. In particular, I have some Barbados black belly wool that I've just received. I need to go through that and pack it. And I also have St. Croix. They're both hair breeds of sheep. They're extremely difficult to find. These sheep are not sheared. So to get the fibers, the farmers need to go out in the fields and actually pick it up out of the field. So there can be a lot of hay and contaminants in the fleece itself, or the hair. It's not even a fleece, it's hair. So when I receive it, I actually go through it with a pair of tweezers trying to get out all the dirt. So it's very labor intensive, but an interesting fiber. So again, I have Barbados black belly now, which I'm packaging. I will have St. Croix probably in another week or two. If you're interested in those hair breeds, please go to my website and sign up for the emails. As soon as they are in or when they're about to be put out, I will send you an email letting you know that they'll be up on the site on a certain day. And my website will be in the description below, but it is funwithfiberpa.com. And next, so what is the Shave 'em to Save 'em? It's an initiative where you can use all these 23 breeds in various projects. You can spin it, and that's considered a project done. You can get the yarn and knit it, that's a project done. For every 5 projects that you complete, you submit pictures of them along with, when you purchase the wool, you get a stamp from the supplier to put into your passport book, proving that you purchased it from an authorized provider from Shave 'em to Save 'em program. After you've got 5 done, you take pictures of your projects along with the page in your book, and you send them into the Livestock Conservancy. They verify that you've got 5, and you're able to choose a prize from a list of items available to you. So for every 5 projects you do, up to 15 right now, you can get prizes. So it's a fun way to do a breed study for yourself, to learn about these wonderful fibers that you've probably never used, and you're going to discover some that you'll probably want to use again. So I hope you will join us in the Shave 'em to Save 'em project. You'll be helping the farmers who raise these endangered sheep. Some of these sheep are so endangered, there are only maybe 200 in the world. Others are recovering and doing much better, and many of them are just wonderful breeds of sheep. I source most of my wool from local sources, from small farms. One lady I deal with has just 2 sheep. Another one had 7 Shetland, so very small, but they're people who really appreciate the breed and are growing them to preserve the breeds. This month, the U.S. Postal Service has issued a new set of stamps that to do with the Livestock Conservancy. So that's what I needed to tell you. I will get back to doing my weaving videos. I have a project ready to go. I have one item coming off of the loom shortly, and then I will be putting another one on. It's just a lot of different things going on right now, so I want to make sure to get my website going and Etsy going, and then we'll get back into weaving. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.